Good morning, students. Today we will study viewing 3D shapes, page number 203. So, how it look like 3D shapes, we will visualize that how it views from top view, side view, front view, bottom view. So that we will study. So it is difficult to draw 3D shapes. So designers use different. So why we are using this viewing shape? Because it is very difficult to design 3D shapes. So we are using this viewing angles. So first of all, you can see these angles like you just see in this example. This is like a top view, side view, this is the front view. So this is the how it look like, how it will be look from the front from here. Okay, so how it will look from the front, from this side how it will be looked. So that's the it's a view. How it will be look from the side means this side, how it will be look from this side. So that's a it's a view. So this view we have separating from the according to the angle of viewing is the top view, bottom view. Likewise we can do. So similarly you can check that this is the front view, this is the side view of this board, this is the top view of the board. Means from the top how its board will look like, from the side how it will look, how from the front how this board will look. So this is the different viewing angles. First, some special names are given to the three views from the different direction. So some so these three views like from top view, from front view, and side view. So it's having the some special names. You can check that. First, when a solid is looked down from the above, okay, so it is called the top view, means which you are looking from the top. The solid is looked down from the above, means from the above we are looking to the down. Okay, so from here you are there and you are looking to the down. Okay, so how it will look like? So that is your top view, the top view of this object. Front view is called the front elevation, means suppose this object is there, so in from the front how it look like, so which is called the front elevation. The side view is called the side elevation, this object how it will look from the side. Okay, so which is called the side elevation. Okay, so you can just see here some examples of this disc is given like this. A disc from the top, you can this dice you have seen this from the top how it look like two dots. From the front here is three dots which will look, from the side one dot it will be look. So you can visualize from this. Okay, like this solid from the top how it will look, only these things will be looked. From front this will be looked, from side. Likewise for the table also. So likewise you can see that how does it look like. Okay, now next we have directly we just go to the exercise 12e. So now we will solve exercise 12e. Okay, here is first question. Tell whether the given view is front, back, side, top or bottom view. Which kind of view it is? So you can see, we are looking this bus from which side we are looking. You can check that which kind of view. This is the first we are looking from where, the from the side we are looking this bus. So this is your side view. You can write the this is the side view. Okay, so now this here you can see we are looking this bus from the front, it look from the front. Okay, so you can write this one front view. Okay, so this is your front view. Okay, now this is from the top we are looking, so you can write this is the top view. Okay, so similarly you can write down for the all. So this is for the scooter also, this is your side view, this is your front view, this is your top view. So likewise you can write down the it's a views angle. Okay, now number 2, that name the object from the given views it is shown. So this is the front view. So you can check that this is the front view. So only you have to write the name of the object, what is its object. So what is it? It is a table. It is look. Okay, so these are the different viewing angles it is given, but what is it is? It is a table. So simply you write it is a table. Which object it is? It is a table. Okay, next question number 3. Identify these 1000 objects from sorry identify these household objects from the view shown. So first of all you can see it is from the front view. You can see this is a key, this is a key, this is the key's front view, this is the which view, this is the top view, this is the top view of the key, this is the front view, and this is the side view. Okay, so first of all you can see this is the key. What is the name of this object? So this is your key. Okay, so what is it? It is a key, and it is given in the hint. This is the household, this is used in the house, and this is the front. It look from the front, so it is the, you can you have seen, this is the, what is it, is wash basin. Okay, this is the wash basin. Okay, and you can see this is the side view of what you can see, this is your door, you have in the home, you have seen it. So this is the front view of key, wash basin, and door. Okay, now next is we have question number 4. Question number 4, use cubes to make the model. Draw top view, front view, and side view. By using the cube, you have to draw how it look like. So from the top you will see, so how it will look like. So this all will see together in the flat one. So it will be look like this. One it will be have. So how many total cross lines are 3? Okay, so it will be 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, and from this side 2, so 2. So this will look, it will look like from the front, sorry, top. And now from the front, so from this side how it will be look like, this all will be looked. So one will be here like this. First it will be look this part, it will be looked this part. So for this we will draw this part. Okay, how many total are cross? 3 again, 1 2 3. Then after there is a one more, this one, this part, upper one. So this is your, yeah, this is complete, this is your front view. Okay, now for the side view, so for the side only this part will, it will be looked, this part you can see, this one. Okay, so how it will be look from the side? So side it will be look simple, a grid. This is the side view, this will be the side view. Okay, so likewise you can visualize and write it. Okay, next we have some more things, that is called tessellation. Like tessellation means to arranging the in the square. Okay, tiling up these things you have seen at your home also. Okay, so actually what is the meaning of tiling? Tiling means that there it is for the wall, you have seen on this. Okay, tiling is just a way of covering the flat surface. What is its mean? To cover the flat surface, whatever the surface we have to cover it, or tile the fitter together nicely with a repeating pattern and without gap or overlay. So very important, but there should not be any gap. You can see there is any gap? No. And what is the meaning of tiling? To cover the flat surface and without uh, leaving any gaps, without any gaps. Okay, and also overlap means one should not be overlapped with the other. Okay, now next we have man-made tiling. So these tilings you have seen at your home or somewhere, this kind of styling we have done on the floors. Okay, and there should and what is the purpose? To cover the flat surface. So these are the like a natural tiling. Okay, you can see here natural tiling, generating sets. So generating set means that in the chessboard the tiles is repeats itself in a square. Okay, you can see it is a repeat in a hexagon, it is repeating in a rectangle. Okay, so it can have a different pattern, but the same things will be repeated. Also the combination of it, also you will see that the combination of these shapes, it will be repeated. Okay, so tiling pattern with one shape, so this is called the one shape, means they have the only rectangles which is repeating. Here is the triangle is repeating, you can see triangles are there. Okay, different colors of triangle. Hexagons are there, you can see these are the hexagons are repeating. Okay, now it is possible that tiling pattern with two shapes, with the two shapes also it is possible to repeat it. Okay, so that is here you can see here octagons and square. Here you can see this, the squares are forming here. Okay, and here is the octagon is forming here, octagon is there. Also hexagon and triangle, you can see this is the hexagon and triangle is there. Square and triangle, this is the square and triangle. Okay, So likewise you can see with the two shapes also it is forming, with the three shapes also. So you can just do it by yourself also. This classwork you can do it by yourself, try it. Okay, so next 10 grams is there. One 10 grams term, a 10 grams is a 7-piece puzzle. So how many are total there? Total is used 7-piece puzzle that organized in China long ago. So it is the 7-piece puzzle. Okay, so which is the 10 gram. So just do it. Okay, and this class and revision exercise you just go through all this. Okay, revision exercise you have to also solve of this chapter page 208 and 209 also. Okay.